Yes. Yeah. Now. Yes. Now it is.
Now we have started recording.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So Parsi, first of all, we are meeting, a second time. Okay. So we have known each other for a couple of months. In spite of, I want to know about you, more about you a little bit.
Yes. Yes. Why not? Okay. So my name is Parsiam Rom. I am from West Bengal State. I'm studying in class 7. And just I didn't tell my district name. My district name is Purulia. Yes. That's all about me.
Okay. So let me introduce myself first of all. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, my name is Israel. I am from Bihar. If I say my hobby, so I love to travel, I love to talk new people, and I'm learning new thing. And I'm talking to you from the Kuwait. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Uh,
Very nice.
Okay, so Parthi, I'm going to, make this video rapid fire. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
So
Okay.
I will ask you in Hindi, and you will have to reply in English. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes. But I don't know also Hindi more. But yes, you can ask. It doesn't matter. I will learn that.
Okay. Last minute. पार्थी कल मैं तुम्हें पैसा दिया था
What?
कल मैं तुम्हें पैसा दिया था
Yes. I gave you money yesterday.
हाँ ओके राइट दैट्स ग्रेट कल मैं मार्केट गया था
I went to market yesterday.
कल मैं खाना खाया था
Yes. I ate food yesterday.
कल तुम कहाँ गया था
Where did you go yesterday?
कल तुम्हारा पापा मार्केट क्यों नहीं गया था
Why didn't your father go to market yesterday?
कल तुम्हारी मम्मी खाना क्यों नहीं पकाई थी
Why didn't your mother cook food yesterday?
कल तुम्हारा बहन स्कूल क्यों नहीं गई थी
Why didn't your sister go to school yesterday?
कल तुमने कौन सी मूवी देखी
Yes. Which movie did you watch yesterday?
कल तुमने कौन सा खाना पकाया
Which food did you cook yesterday?
कल तुमने क्या खाया
What did you eat yesterday?
मैं तुमको नहीं जानता हूँ
I don't know you.
ओके मैं तुमको नहीं जानता था
I didn't know you.
ओके दैट्स ग्रेट पार्थी ओके योर पार्ट इज सो क्लियर ओके
Oh,
so
yeah, yeah.
now I'm going to ask possession ओके
Okay, yes.
कल मेरे पास पैसा था
I had money yesterday.
मेरे पापा के पास कल बाइक था
My father had bike yesterday.
कल मेरे पास बुक था
I had book yesterday.
मेरे फ्रेंड के पास कल मोबाइल था
My friends had mobile yesterday. Did you tell Kal or not? Yes, yes.
क्या कल
Yes,
ओके
you told her that you didn't tell, and I added the year yesterday. That's why I
so
told
now
you.
I'm going to ask possession with time
Oh, okay.
do you know possession with time
Uh, yes, I think.
ओके
Yeah,
ओके
but I didn't try.
मेरे
Yes.
पास दो मेरे पास 2 साल से घर था
Mera. What did you tell?
मेरे पास 2 साल से घर था
Oh, yes. I had been to two houses.
Hmm.
Yes. Two.
you know possession is mean I had a house for
Oh,
3 years
yes, yes. Yeah. Okay. Possessions. Yes,
Hmm.
I didn't.
Hmm. Okay,
Okay.
okay, it's okay. Okay. मेरे पापा के पास 2 साल से कार था
My father had bikes, cars. Yes, cars for 2 years.
मेरे फ्रेंड के पास 2 साल से लैपटॉप था
My friends had laptops. Like years. What did you tell? Yes, I couldn't remember years. Years.
लैपटॉप
Oh, my friends had no. My friends had not had a laptop.
That's great. Abo, your also possession is good. Your possession is good. Okay.
Oh,
So now I'm going to ask you, state of being. Okay.
oh,
कल मैं घर पर था.
what?
कल मैं घर पर था.
Oh, I was at my home yesterday.
मेरे पिताजी मार्केट में था.
My father had at market.
My father was in the market.
Oh, sorry. Yes. I forgot. Yes. Yes. Okay.
मैं
My
कल घर
father.
पर था. मैं कल घर पर था. तो I was
Yes,
at
sir.
my home.
Yes. Okay, I couldn't hear. That's why I first.
मेरी फ्रेंड कल दिल्ली में थी.
My friend was in Delhi.
That's great. Okay. मेरी मम्मी कल किचन में थी.
My mummy was at kitchen.
My mother was in the kitchen.
Yes. In the.
मेरा भाई कल मेरे साथ में था.
My brother was with me yesterday.
कल मेरा फ्रेंड मेरे साथ में थी.
My friend was with me yesterday.
ठीक है. अब स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग विथ टाइम पूछता हूँ. हाँ.
Yes. Okay.
मैं दिल्ली में 2 साल से था.
Yes. मैं दिल्ली में 2 साल से था.
हाँ.
I had been Delhi I had been on Delhi for 2 years.
I have been in Delhi for 2 years. Okay.
Oh yeah, in Delhi. Yes, I forgot. Only like I mistake on like what is called. Yes, I all the
कोई
time I'm
मुश्किल
forgot.
नहीं. कोई
Yes,
मुश्किल
pronoun.
नहीं है. हम्म. मैं तुम्हारे साथ में 1 साल से था.
Yes. मैं आप. What did you tell?
मैं तुम्हारे साथ में 1 साल से था.
Oh yes. I had been with you for 1 year.
ओके. मेरी मदर 2 दिनों से किचन में थी.
My mother had been on kitchen for since 2 days.
Since 2 days, for 2 days.
Oh, for 2 days. Yes.
ओके. तो देखो ये भी तुम्हारा सही है. ठीक है. अब पास्ट का एक्शन गोइंग ऑन पूछता हूँ. ठीक है. मैं कल तुमसे बात कर रहा था.
I was talking to you.
मैं तुमसे कल बात नहीं कर रहा था.
I was not talking to you.
मेरी मम्मी कल खाना नहीं पका रही थी.
My mother was not cooking yesterday.
मेरा भाई कल स्कूल नहीं जा रहा था.
My brother was not going to school yesterday.
मेरा पिताजी मुझे कल पीट रहा था.
Pitaji, yes, I think grandfather.
नो पिताजी, father.
Yes. Okay. My father was beating me
My father was beating me yesterday.
yesterday.
कल तुम मुझे गाली दे रही थी.
Yes. You were scolding me yesterday.
गाली देना.
Yes.
Abusing.
Scold. Oh.
Abusing. You were abusing me yesterday. जैसे डांट रहा था तुम मुझे कल डांट रही थी. You were scolding me.
Oh, scolding, but I read that scolding means is like what is? Yeah, gali deva. Yes.
Abuse का मतलब गाली देना होता है और scold का मतलब डांटना होता है. जैसे मैं तुम्हें बोलूंगा कल मैं तुम्हें डांट रहा था तो I was scolding you yesterday.
Oh, but I read like that. That's why I told.
Okay, you might have forgot. Okay, don't worry. ठीक है.
But I saw it like that also. I saw like that.
ओके. सो मैं अब WS से पूछता हूँ. कल तुम स्कूल क्यों नहीं जा रही थी?
Why or not you going to school yesterday?
तुम्हारी मदर कल खाना क्यों नहीं पका रही थी?
Why was not your mother cooking food yesterday?
कल तुम मेरे से बात क्यों कर रही थी?
What?
कल तुम मेरे से बात क्यों नहीं कर रही थी?
Yes. Why or not you talking to me?
हाँ, तुम्हारी मम्मी कल कैसे खाना पका रही थी?
How was your mother cooking food?
कल तुम मार्केट कैसे जा रही थी?
How are you going to market yesterday?
दैट्स ग्रेट। हमारा पास्ट ये भी सही है, ठीक है। एक्शन गोइंग ऑन पास्ट का ये भी सही है, ठीक है। तो अब जो है कंपल्सन पूछते हैं, कंपल्सन पास्ट में। कल मुझे मार्केट जाना पड़ा।
I had to go to market yesterday.
कल मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ा।
I had to go to school yesterday.
मेरी मम्मी को कल खाना पकाना पड़ा।
My mother had to cook rice yesterday. Cook food. Food.
मेरे पापा को कल मेरे पापा को मार्केट जाना पड़ा।
My father had to go to market yesterday.
क्या तुम्हारी मम्मी को कल खाना पकाना पड़ा?
Yes. Did your mother have to cook food yesterday?
Yeah, that's great, great. क्या तुम्हें कल कपड़ा धोना पड़ा?
Yes. Did you have to wash your clothes yesterday?
क्या कल तुम्हें खाना पकाना पड़ा?
Did you have to cook food yesterday?
नहीं, कल मुझे खाना नहीं पकाना पड़ा।
No, I didn't have to cook food.
ग्रेट। देखो कितना अच्छा है तुम्हारा, बहुत आगे तुम जाओगी लगता है ना। ओके, तो अभी बोलता हूँ उन्हें पास्ट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस। इसमें हमेशा दो क्लोज होता है, ठीक है। ओके, तो पहला पूछता हूँ, तुम्हारे फोन करने से पहले मैं उठ गया था।
Oh, what did you tell?
तुम्हारे फोन करने से पहले मैं उठ गया था।
Oh, तुम्हारा फोन करने से
पहले मैं उठ गया था।
Oh, before calling you, I had woken up.
I had got up before you called me.
Yes, before you called me.
हम्म
Okay, before me.
ओके, पापा के आने से पहले मम्मी खाना पका चुकी थी।
Okay, mother had cooked rice before coming father.
Mother had cooked food before father came.
Before father came. Oh, yes, all the time. Like usually I don't use. That's why I have forgotten. I should
ऐसे
also.
बोलते हैं ना, ये चोर के आने से पहले रोगी मर गया था।
What?
ओ सॉरी, ये चोर के आने से पहले पुलिस के आने से पहले चोर भाग गया था।
Oh, thief has gone away. Thief has gone away before police came. Had gone away.
तो thief had run away before the police came.
Yes. Thief had.
ओके, तुम्हारे आने से पहले मैं खाना खा लिया था।
I had eaten rice before you came.
दैट्स ग्रेट। तुम्हारे आने से पहले नहा लिया था।
Yes, I had taken bath before you came.
पापा के आने से पहले मम्मी मार्केट जा चुकी थी।
Mother had gone to market before father came.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Good. Your English is good.
Thank you for teaching me. Yes, like my exam is going on. That's why I have forgotten this and I couldn't do this. Yes, that's why.
No, Parthi, your English is so good and your past is so good. And definitely, I know that your future, your present. Okay, must be good.
Yes.
Okay.
I should think that what can I do in future. I should think any good job.
Yeah, definitely. You are 13, 14 years old, and you are thinking your future. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
We have to. We will have to cope your future. So definitely you will get good job in your future. Don't worry.
Yes. Yeah, I have to try as possible as far. Just yes, I will try more and more, and then yes.
Yeah, only you can try. You can try only. If you try, God will give you. Don't worry.
Yes, yes, yes. And that's why also we need hard work. We should hard work more and more. That's why we
Yeah,
after that.
I want to tell one thing, Parthi. You listen to me. You should not depend on your luck. Okay.
Yes.
You should depend only on your hard work. Okay.
Yeah.
If you do hard work, definitely, you will get lots of job. You will get better job and you will earn lots of money. You know,
Yeah. Yes.
suppose, I am hungry. Okay. And I don't want to cook food. Okay.
Yes.
So if I don't cook, then how will I eat? If I depend on any luck, okay, food will come to me, then I will eat, then I will eat. It is happening. It is not happening. You have to cook food, then you have to eat food, right?
Yeah, yeah. You are right. You are right.
Mm. So that's why you should hard work and you believe in yourself. Only you should believe in yourself. Don't worry.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
Percy. So it is getting dark. Your side.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
It is getting after some minutes it will get dark already.
You go. You practice. Okay. And it was
Yeah.
night conversation with you.
Yes.
Okay, Percy. Thank you. Huh?
Thanks. Very, very thanks. I want to tell you very, very thanks for teaching me. Yes. I
Okay,
forgot
thank
this thing and just you taught me that so I very, very like many, many thanks.
you. Okay, it's my pleasure, Percy.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank
I'm going to